A dedicated recycling chute from a busy family kitchen to exterior bins makes high volumes of recycling simple and fast to manage. Start by planning flow and route so the chute goes vertically through cabinetry into a basement or garage bin area with a straight fall path to reduce jams and allow gravity to do the work. Choose a smooth, rigid tube material such as stainless steel or high-density polyethylene, and specify an inner diameter that clears the largest expected items with at least 2 inches of clearance so items do not wedge. For most families, a tube of 8 to 10 inches works well. Integrate the chute door into the cabinet face at countertop height with a spring return and a soft close latch to keep it child-safe and to prevent accidental openings while cooking. Add an odor control flap or gasketed lid at the exterior receptacle and a small activated carbon cartridge or replaceable charcoal pad to reduce smells inside the house. Design the exterior bin housing with a removable liner on casters for easy emptying. Consider ventilation and condensation by including a small vent at the bottom with a screened opening to equalize pressure and avoid suction that can slow drop speed. Finally, check local municipal pickup rules and bin size limits early so the exterior receptacle matches collection standards and you avoid rework. People commonly try to route the chute around obstructions, which creates bends that trap flattened containers, so keep the path straight and increase diameter if a turn is unavoidable. A second common issue is odors because homeowners omit any sealing or charcoal filtration, so add a gasketed door and an activated carbon element and clean liners monthly. A third frequent concern is ignoring municipal constraints, which leads to unusable exterior bins, so verify allowed bin dimensions and pickup spacing with your municipality and size the external receptacle accordingly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who specialize in kitchen and recycling infrastructure projects, and helps contractors connect with nearby clients looking for this specific service. We also host an active discussion community where we share designs, troubleshooting tips, and vendor experiences so our members can learn from each other.